Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn the Linux basic commands. So why we are using Linux? Linux is a open source operating system, but it is highly secure. Most of the companies presently in this modern are more using this Linux only because it is more secured. There are many companies on Linux. There are on even on Windows also, but Linux is most secured. Let us go with the basic commands today. Uh, Basic commands are date, who, who, history, man. Let me go with practical. So I have logged into root user. Firstly, go with command date, date. This command with list will display all the current date and time of the mission. Presently, which date time it is using. Next command, let us go with cal. Friends, cal is a calendar. It will show all the current months, date and calendar. Do not forget, cal is a calendar. It is not a calculation. Let us go with any other command. For example, who. Who will display all the current all logged in user details physically and remotely. TTY2. This is the remote access. For example, let me go with who am I. This will show who is current logged in username. Let me show you another thing. Here, root will represent the user local host. It is the host name, and this tilde. This is current directory and hash. Hash represents the root. For example, I am going to switch. Let me create a user add, for example, Linux. I have created a user Linux. Let me switch into user Linux. For that, I am using the command su linux Linux. So I have switched into Linux. Now you can observe this dollar symbol. Dollar symbol will represent the normal user, and this hash symbol will represent the root user. So this is the difference between hash user and dollar user. Let me switch again to root user. Now I have switched. Now it is asking the password for the root user. Let me increase the size. Next command we are going to use history. This command we can see all the history whatever happens in this virtual machine. So next command we are going with present working directory. For example, we are in home. This is a tilde. Let me create any other directory. There, for example, I can say that in Linux we use directories. In Windows we use folders. So there are many subfolders in a folder. So in this Linux case, there are many directories inside the directories. Okay. Let me go into slash home. I am going to create a again directory. For example, slash Vato. So I am going to switch. I am going again into Virtual. So in Windows it is a folder. In Linux it is a directory. So now I have switched into Virtual. Not switched. I have entered into. See, now I will check my present working directory. For that thing, the command is pwd. It is a present working directory. Now we are under Vato. Let me, if we check now, pwd, it will show the present working directory. It is under slash root. Let us go with the important command, which is very important for placement point of view. Uname hyphen v. Uname hyphen v will represent the release of the kernel. So this is a kernel release. Let me show you another command. Uname -r. So R is representing the version of the kernel. If you see deeply here, V will represent the release and R will represent the version. So we need not to get confused in this case. Let me go with another command. Uname -m. It will show the mission's architecture bits. So here it is cross 86, 64 bit. Let me go with any other command. Uname -n. It will show the host name. We need to see all these parameters. So we are going with the other command -a. If you observe here, these are all the parameters of our system: 64-bit version, release date, and it also has the date of timestamp. So let us go with which commands we have missed. Date completed, uname completed, calendar completed, password, cd. So man and this ls are pending. Let us go with ls command. Ls command will list out all the files, documents, whatever, even the directories it will show all. Let us show this command effectively. So these D are the directories, and this hyphen or these are the files, we can say. This star is a zip file. These are the directories, and these are the normal documents. These are the users, sorry. Let us go with other command, man. Man is a helpful command. It will show all the, for example, man. I am using any other command, for example, ls. Man ls. It will show all the helpful options of ls. We can use man if we do not know anything about the different commands. We need to use for that. For example, we can use any other man. Cat is a command. Man cat. It will show all the concatenate commands of the man. It will show all the help options. Everything. Let me quit. So this completes the basic commands of the user. Thank you guys. Please support me in any comment session. This is the notes. Date. It will display the date and time. Who displays all current users and current logged in users remotely. Who am I? Command only displays the current logged in user. History displays the current logged in user. Note here, one cannot access other history even if he's a root user. So in Linux there are root users and normal users. Root users can switch into normal users, and normal users can also switch in virtual systems, but one cannot see others history. It's a privacy. Man, it helps. It is like a help command. Uname, it will show all the kernel parameters. Next command is cal. It is not a calendar. It is a calendar, sorry, it is not a calculation, it is a calendar. Pwd, it is a present working directory. Cd represents the change directory. I have used cd/home, cd/virtual. So this represents the changing the directory. In Windows case we use folders. Ls, it will list out all the files under present working directory. Firstly I have told switch user. Su hyphen su username. It will switch into the user's account. So thank you guys for watching. I hope it will help you. Any doubts, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much.